Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to change the language in your Google account. First, open your browser and go to google.com. At the top right, click on your profile picture. Now click on the button that says Manage your Google account. Your account page will open. On the left side, click on the Personal Info icon, which looks like an ID card. Scroll down until you see the Language section with a small Earth icon. Click on it. Now click on the Edit or Pencil icon to change your language. Type the language you want to use, then select it from the list and choose the correct country. Click to confirm. Your Google language is now updated. To check if it worked, go back to google.com and refresh the page. You should now see everything in the new language you selected. And that's how to change the language in your Google account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos.